because of the military coup that truncated democratic rule, Republican democratic rule. Between then and now, we've been operating technically without a constitution. Yet by January 15, 1966, it was terminated by a military coup d'etat, bringing in military governance into the affairs of Nigeria. From that day to current date, meaning that we had not experienced the Republican democracy in a manner to understand it thoroughly. Before then, there were issues about the structure of the Federation. The Williams Commission of 1957-58 is a classical testimony to the fact that there was the need to restructure the base of the Federation.